Hey guys, let's review this Tapo Smart Contact Sensor. That's the Tapo T110. It works with the hub, so you need to have a hub like I have here. This one is the Tapo H200, and there's also the Tapo 100 and the Tapo 500 that works with this contact sensor, okay? And you also need battery. It comes with the battery already, and you just need to peel off the plastic and it starts working with your app. You see here that I have the Tapo app. This sensor is here. And when I just click on it, you see the logs, and also here the icon that represents if it's open or if it's closed. This icon takes a while to update, but the sensor works pretty fast. You see here that I have it connected to a Tapo Smart plug back here, and then I can turn on a lamp. So if I close the sensor like this, let's say I'm using a door or a window and I close the door or window, you see that turns on the light. And also I get a message here on my cell phone, right? And there's also a camera here that I have on my balcony, a Tapo camera as well. Let me just show you here. Basically, I can change the camera position. You see that I have the camera here. Then when I open the sensor, it's going to turn off the light, change the camera position, and I got a message here, right? Let me just do this again. Now closing it. There we go. The camera changes position, message, and lamp on. So super nice, works pretty fine. I have here the pads to put the devices here on the door frame or on a window, and it works pretty fine. It's a 3M sticker that you can use. Let me just approach this so you see better. There we go. There is LED here, and that indicates when it's working. When I open here, for example, you see the flash, the LED, and the automation is working back there. Let me just put this back. You see my camera changing position here. It's working. Super, super great, right? And the response is pretty fast. Okay. There we go again. It's pretty fast, okay? And here you see that when I come to the sensor, I can just go to the settings, and here I have just basic settings, device name, location, and most importantly I have here the Smart Actions. That's why I can turn the lamp on and off, and also move my camera and send messages, because I have here the Smart Actions. You see that it's working all the time, and then when the sensor opens, here I can turn on the lamp, which is the P125M, the plug, Tapo plug. I can send a notification and also can control the camera, right? I can do this for when it's open and when it's closed. The same concept here. And I can also use this with Alexa if I want to. Instead of using the Tapo devices for the automation, I can do with Alexa as well. So I'm testing this for some time here and works pretty fine. So I recommend this one. I'll leave the link here in the description and can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.